Today in my Venus Flytrap den and Carnivorous plant room we have a different creature than usual. Pillbugs, and these fellas are seriously slow, but they also are seriously strong. I get many of these pillbugs living in my Venus Flytrap room, the den, where they live in all the wood and occasionally find their way onto my traps. This dude drags himself painfully slowly towards the trap, but I think you've really got to appreciate the armour on this thing. It is built like a tank, which usually keeps it protected from many predators, but not my mighty Venus Flytraps. This trap shut really quickly, and it squeezes tighter. And it's just about now this pillbug realises he's in trouble. Pillbugs like these have amazing defences and can usually escape most small predators. They roll up and almost like cannonballs, an armoured ball of protection. But when caught by a Venus Flytrap, it cannot roll up, and its underside is unprotected. This is where the digestive enzymes can get in, and the Flytrap would be able to digest this thing alive. Back in the den, I realise this creature's just too big for this trap. When it's this big, it will let bacteria in, kill the trap and the bug. So I decide to intervene and gently release the bug. This pillbug was lucky this time and his life has been spared. However, we do get smaller ones of these pillbugs in the den, and they're often not so lucky. And of course I've filmed those as well. So, in this next clip, we'll see what happens to a smaller one, and can that break free from the Venus Flytrap? Smaller pillbugs like this offer no threat to the Venus Flytrap at all. There's no need to intervene with this one. It's perfect food for the plant. Even this small thing is powerful though, it almost manages to break free. Not many insects have the strength to break free from a Venus Flytrap, but these pillbugs are strong. However, let's see a woodlouse, a different type of pillbug. This is a common woodlouse, and they don't have the same defence mechanisms as the pillbugs we saw earlier in the video. They just have the soft underbelly and the armoured top. As you can see, this one is the perfect size and makes wonderful food for my Venus Flytraps. Well, you're lucky this time, my friend, until we shall meet again.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.